Hello and welcome to Slisor. Today, I will show you how you can use Slisor's map to identify your target audience and how useful the heat maps can be to measure your campaign's effectiveness before you launch it. On the home screen, start by defining your target audience. You can do that by clicking on Filters from the left menu. You will then be able to choose the data layers that suit your campaign and choose their targeting criteria. After selecting at least one filter, you'll start to notice colorful bubbles appearing on the map. Once you're done defining your targeted audience, define the area you wish to analyze by selecting the Selection tool and drawing a rectangular shape on the map. Once that is complete, it is important to check your campaign's potential reach so you can have an idea of how many people you may be reaching. You can do that by clicking on Check Actual Reach from the bottom of the list on your left, then clicking on the layer you wish to check. Now you're ready for the next step of your campaign creation. For more information, please visit our support page.